Katikim na ba kayo ng quesabirria? Sobrang sikat nito kaya matagal ko nang gustong tikman. Meron pala dito sa BGC. Hello guys! Nandito na naman kami sa BGC. And papunta na naman kami sa Food District Signatures on 5th. Ito yung food court na maraming affordable option. And ang mission namin is tikman ng Dos Tacos na may forever na buy one take one taco. Nasa corner lang yung stall nila katabi ng Macau and Turks. Sobrang na-excite ako kasi meron din silang quesabirria. Pati yung kids ko gustong gusto na mag-taco party. Ito yung ino-offer nila. Merong crispy tacos na may forever buy one take one, quesabirria tacos, and tachip. Ang bango-bango niya habang niluluto. Grabe. Sobrang tasty nitong tacos na to. Imagine, free na yung tacos sa flavored oil until crispy. Then meron siyang beef and melted cheese inside. Ito naman yung tachip. Same lang siya with nachos, pero ang ginamit dito is yung brinake na taco shells. Of course, there's cabbage, beef, tomatoes, cheese, and more cheese. And of course, we have to try yung forever buy one take one nilang tacos. And ready na kami mag-taco party. You have two options sa tacos nila. Merong pork and meron din beef. Of course, we have to try the tachips and the most awaited quesabirria. I love cilantro and yun siguro yung dahilan kung bakit sarap na sarap ako dito sa quesabirria. You have to dip it sa consomme para ma-enjoy niya talaga itong dish na to. And sobrang sarap. Ito talaga yung babalik-balikan ko dito sa food district. Even my kids love their quesabirria. Generous yung nilagay nilang beef, ang tender and very flavorful. Na-enjoy din namin itong tachips. Yung taco chips kasi na ginamit nila is crunchy pero hindi matigas. Halos same lang naman yung taste ng tachips and tacos. Sanay kami na laging beef yung ginagamit sa tacos. Kaya mas na-enjoy namin yung beef over pork. Pero na-wipe out namin yung food namin kasi masarap siya talaga. Pakinggan niyo yung sasabihin ng daughter ko after this.
It's the best taco.
So next time you're in BGC and you're craving for tacos and quesabirria, Dos Tacos na!